Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay gorgeous. Hope you all are doing well. Our today's video is for makeup beginners because this is so confusing to them which shade will be applied on which area, which brushes should be used. So I thought to make a tutorial for those beginners. Before going to enter this video, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please do this. Trust me, this is 100% free. And if you don't want to miss my videos, then don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, I have done my base makeup. Before apply your eyeshadow, you need to prime your eyelid for smoothen canvas and also to pop up your eyeshadow. So for that, I am using my Fit Me concealer. And I am applying a thick coat of loose powder just underneath of my eyes to avoid the excess fallouts of eyeshadow, and then set them with any powder. Here I am using Maybelline the Nudes palette, and I will recommend this palette for such beginners because this is so easily blendable and at the same time this is so pocket friendly. For your base shade, use a fluffy dome shaped brush that you can easily spread the eyeshadow all over the lid. So at first I am taking this shade as my base color or base shade and applying it all over the lid. Then I will go for crease shade, which should be 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone. For crease area, use small tapered brush. Crease area is where your eyes get fold. Everyone have different eye shape, so we all have different crease line. Because I have hooded eyes, so I will apply my crease shade just a little bit above of my crease line. And just follow my strokes and do it in light hand. And hold your brush this way, not too closely. Now come to outer corner, or you can say outer V. Choose any dark shade like dark brown or any rust color for that. For outer V, I am using the same brush, and hold your brush closely and just try to work it as V shape. Then choose wisely your transition shade. For transition shade, I am using the fluffy brush. It will help to blend your outer V shade with your crease shade and blend the edges softly that there should not be any harsh lines. Now take any light shade to apply on middle of your eyelid. You need a small flat brush like this, but for shimmery shadow you can get highest pigmentation by using your fingers, so I am doing this. This shade could be shimmery or matte, but try to keep it lighter shade than the other shade that you have used, because this area of your eyes will catch the light and will be highlighted, and this way your eye will look more brighter and pop up. For inner V, I am using this round shape brush. This is from Nykaa. Then I am applying this shade to half of my inner V. You can see a little bit puffiness is here, so I have to darken this area, otherwise it will be highlighted. And they are blessed who have dark eye socket, but I don't have, so I have to do this. Now I will dust off the powder. The same brush what I have used for my crease line, I will use the same crease shade and transition shade on my lower lash line, only the outer half. Now I am highlighting my tear duct area to look my eyes more opened up. I am using this small pencil brush and I am applying the same shade on the brow bone area to highlight that part. If you want a glamorous look, use the same shade what you have applied your eyelid for your lower lash line, only the inner half. And for this part, I am using the same brush what I have used for my inner corners. And for everyday look, you can skip this part. This is the lower waterline. You can apply any color of kajal on that area. I am using a nude color because it will highlight the lower skin and that way your eyes will look more bigger. So this was the eyeshadow part. Now to complete my eye makeup, I am doing a simple wing liner. So guys, I have tried my best. Hope I have explained each and everything briefly. If you have any question regarding this video, you can comment down below in the comment box. If you have liked my effort, then please hit the like button. If you wanna see my others videos, links are given below in the description box. Please check them out. And you can connect with me on my social media handles. All links are given below. So guys, I will come with my another video very shortly. Till then, tata, take care and bye.